Hello dear friends, welcome back to the Bhags Pharma. In this video we are going to discuss about the GABA receptor. What is the GABA receptor and how action produced by the GABA receptor. So don't waste the time, let's start the video and please watch the video until end and enjoy it. What is the GABA? GABA, it is the inhibitory neurotransmitter which is secreted by the neurons and which act on the GABA receptor. There are two main type of the GABA receptor, that is the GABA A receptor and GABA B receptor. So I just told that GABA, it is the inhibitory neurotransmitter. So GABA act on the two receptors, that is the GABA A receptor and GABA B receptor. So let's start about the GABA A and GABA B receptor. What is the GABA A and what is the GABA B receptor? GABA A receptor, it is the ion channel receptor, specifically ligand gated ion channel receptor. Means those GABA A receptor is activated when there is any ligand. Ligand means those substance which is produced into the body and which bind to the receptor, activate receptor and produce maximum pharmacological action. It is the ligand. So GABA A receptor, it is the ligand gated ion channel receptor. So ligand for the GABA A receptor, it is the gamma aminobutyric acid, that is our GABA. So GABA A receptor, it is the ligand gated ion channel receptor, and ligand for the GABA A receptor, it is the GABA, that is the gamma aminobutyric acid. So friends, GABA A receptor, it is the ligand gated ion channel receptor and also called as the inotropic receptor. Just we are already known about the common name of the receptors, that is the ion channel receptor is also called as the inotropic receptor. So friends, let's discuss about the GABA B receptor. What is the GABA B receptor? GABA B receptor, it is also known as the G protein coupled receptor, also called as the metabotropic receptor. So there is no confusion in between the GABA A receptor and GABA B receptor. GABA A is the ligand gated ion channel receptor, GABA B is the G protein coupled receptor. GABA A receptor also called as the inotropic receptor and ligand for the GABA A receptor, it is the gamma aminobutyric acid, and GABA B receptor, it is the metabotropic receptor or G protein coupled receptor. So GABA A receptor, it is the ion channel receptor. Ligand for the GABA A receptor is the gamma aminobutyric acid. And what is the ligand? Please don't confusion about the ligand. Ligand, it is the endogenous substance, means which is secreted into the body and bind with the receptor and produce maximum pharmacological action, that is the GABA. GABA is the ligand for the GABA A receptor. So friends, there is the structure of the GABA receptor, that is the specifically GABA A receptor. Let's discuss or see the structure of the GABA A receptor. In the structure of the GABA A receptor, there is the pentameric structure and 3 subunit which is present into the GABA A receptor. As we know about GABA A receptor, it is the ion channel receptor. So by naming ion channel receptor, there is the one ion channel is present in the GABA A receptor and also there are other 3 subunit and pentameric structure is formed. So as shown in this slide or in front of your screen, there is the side view and above view, means side view your GABA A receptor how see by side and how see from the top. This is the both diagram are given in this slide or on your screen. Please see in the side view of the GABA A receptor, there is the shown into the red and black color. In the red black mixing, there is the ion channel. After that, this is the gamma subunit, beta subunit and alpha subunit. Gamma subunit is the single subunit, but alpha and beta are the paired subunit. So there is the 3 main subunit, alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha and beta are the double subunits, means there is the 4 and 5 is the gamma subunit. So there is the, we are known about GABA A receptor. It is the ligand gated ion channel receptor, and ligand it is the GABA bind on the GABA A receptor. So which site for the binding of the GABA on GABA A receptor? There is the beta subunit on the GABA A receptor. There is the binding of the GABA ligand take place. Means there is the binding of the GABA on the GABA A receptor. The place where is the binding of the GABA, that is the beta subunit. So don't forget it. That is the binding site of the GABA on the GABA A receptor. It is the beta subunit. And binding of the barbiturate, there is in between the alpha and beta interface. So as shown in this figure, the binding of the barbiturate takes place between the alpha and beta interface. Those alpha and beta interface present on the GABA A receptor, there is the binding of the barbiturate take place. So barbiturate, there are two binding site of the barbiturate onto the GABA A receptor. Please understand it, don't forget. And there is the benzodiazepine binding site is present on the gamma and alpha interface. Please, only one benzodiazepine binding site present on the GABA A receptor. So please understand it, don't forget. So let's start how mechanism of action produced by the GABA. If GABA is bind to the GABA A receptor on the beta subunit of the GABA A receptor, there is the opening of the chloride ion channel. Means ligand gated chloride ion channel are open due to binding of the GABA on the GABA A receptor. So if there is opening of the chloride ion channel, there is entry of the chloride ions into the cell. So as we know about the resting membrane potential of any cell, it is the minus 17 millivolt. But if there is the chloride ion channel carries the negative charge, so that if more influx of the chloride ion channel into the cell, which leads to the hyperpolarization, means above that the repolarization, means minus 17 to it goes to the minus 19 millivolts, means it produce more hyperpolarization, and due to this more hyperpolarization, GABA produce the inhibitory effect, that is the CNS depression. So that in case of the convulsion epilepsy, we use the GABA antagonist. In case of the convulsion epilepsy, we use the GABA agonist for CNS depression and produce calming effect. So friends, this is the all about GABA and GABA A receptor. Please understand mechanism of action. If GABA bind to the GABA A receptor on the beta subunit, there is the opening of the chloride ion channel, increase the chloride ion conductance into the cell, which leads to the hyperpolarization and produce CNS depression and inhibitory effect. So friends, this is the all about GABA receptor and what is the GABA, what is the ligand, and binding site of the GABA on GABA A receptor, binding site of the barbiturate, that is the alpha beta interface, binding site of the benzodiazepine, that is the alpha gamma interface, two barbiturate binding site. Now one, there is the one benzodiazepine binding site, and there is the one of the GABA binding site, that is the beta interface. So thanks for watching this video.